Mbote! Welcome back to Lingala Academy channel, the best place to learn Lingala language easier and faster. If you're here for the first time and you want to learn Lingala language, welcome. You are at the right place. So I'm inviting you now to hit the subscribe icon and to ring the bell so we send you all the notifications whenever we put a new video online. You can also type on the comment section first time, so I will personally welcome you on the board. In this video, you will learn how to say attention and pay attention. Attention. Attention in Lingala is called keba. Keba or keba na yo. Keba na yo. It's also called likebi. Likebi or bokebi. Bokebi if you're trying to refer to a warning. Pay attention in Lingala is landa. Landa for hearing or watching. Dala. Dala for looking. And yoka. Yoka for hearing. Example: pay attention carefully in Lingala is landa na bokebi. Landa na bokebi. Second example: listen carefully. Yoka na bokebi. Yoka na bokebi. Watch carefully. Dala na bokebi. Dala na bokebi. And the last example is when they talk to you, you need to pay attention. When they talk to you, you need to pay attention. In Lingala is soki bazoloba na yo esengeli olanda malamu. Soki bazoloba na yo esengeli olanda malamu. Make sure you ring the bell and your page looks like this, so you don't miss out and you get the notifications whenever we put a new video. This is the end of this video. If you like it and you like the work that we're doing, please hit the like button, share this video with your friend, family, and anyone you want to learn Lingala with. Also, comment below to show your love and support to keep us motivated to bring you more quality lessons. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the ring so we send you all the notifications whenever we upload a new lesson. And make sure you also add us on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, because we also send notifications there and we send some stuff that you guys cannot find here on YouTube. If you want to support us financially to buy new equipment to bring you more quality lessons, you can donate on paypal.com/Lingala Academy, or you can also donate on patreon.com/Lingala Academy. Thank you and see you next time. Also subscribe to my comedy channel, De Love Gracias, on YouTube, so you can watch the comedy that we already made, laugh, and learn Lingala. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat by typing The love, gracias. The love, gracias. Have fun.